Watching Wall Street, the Dow Jones Industrial Average with a drop down 73 points, right now 72 to 14,793. Our financial expert Rob Black here. Now, one of the reasons we're seeing a Wall Street drop is a growth in China, and their GDP came out only at 7.7%, and they were expecting 8%. We'd kill for that kind of growth here in the United States.
Yeah, but then again, we're not China.
Good point.
We're the #1 economy. They're catching up with us very, very quickly with great growth like you're seeing here, 7.7%. We need China. They're the #2 economy. Europe is in a quagmire, so we look at any partners that we can see out there as far as business development goes, and it is disappointing, but it isn't grossly disappointing.
Hey, a big announcement coming out this morning. Dish Network listing an informal offer to buy Sprint Nextel for $25.5 billion. Is it just kind of fishing, or are they real serious here, you think?
Charlie Ergen runs Dish Networks, and a lot of people thinks that he's a little bit on the crazy side. You know, satellite doesn't have the broadband into your home. That's going to be a bit of a problem, but he's also bought a lot of spectrum. SoftBank is trying to buy Sprint at this point in time. They've bought about 1/3 of them so far, but the yen is incredibly weak, so Ergen has a chance with a stronger dollar to pull off the deal. The goal is something bigger than Wi-Fi. It's tough to explain, but Wi-Fi comes in a cable into your home and then blows up a hotspot. Charlie Ergen thinks he can get all programming into your house through a wireless connection. We'll see.
All right, and we'll see what is happening with gold. You warned us about gold over the last few weeks, and we saw it down 10% in early trading. We saw gold, from over 1,900 an ounce down below 14 at one point this morning. People were buying gold, right, as a hedge against inflation. If inflation comes in the next year or two, will gold go back up, you think, or is gold a losing battle at this point?
Well, to me, gold is only insurance. Gold doesn't have a job. Gold doesn't come out with Gold 2.0. It's an insurance. If you were to buy it today, you're thinking inflation down the road. I don't own gold pure in any way, shape, or form because too many ETFs are out there now, so it's kind of like you're still going to get paid in dollars. So what's the point? You're not going to get your actual delivery of gold. But yeah, it's broken down, and a lot of gold bugs are running for the hills. 1350 seems to be a lot of support for gold. It's had a great run in the last 12 years. It's cooled off in the last year and a half.
And we've seen silver getting hit pretty hard, and oil down a lot too. So maybe there's hope for us. We'll see lower gas prices.
Yeah, and or as what the swimmer luck do is say, ja. So yeah, we're going to see lower gas prices, 30 to 40 cents lower. That's like a tax break, and that will help stimulate our economy. So I like the lower gas story that's tied towards the lower commodity story. Oil, gas, silver, gold, all of them moving a little bit lower. Maybe a little bit aggressively across the board, too much so, but today it's a good tax break for us.
All right, thank you, Rob. We'll check back with Rob at 9:15 for today's winners and losers on Wall Street. Daria James.
All right.